Today we're showing you a 2013 Kubota L4740 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Has the LA854 quick attach front loader on it. Tractor has just under 900 hours. It's a super sharp tractor. Paint is excellent on the tractor. Starts, runs, and works as it should. Engine is pre-emission, so it has none of the tier 4 emission filters or DPF, DEF. None of that stuff is on this tractor. If you're in the market for a pre-emission tractor, you want a cab, four-wheel drive loader, this is definitely one of the cleaner ones you're going to find out there. And again, just under 900 hours, so the hours are low on it. Has a nice large bucket on it with a bolt-on cutting edge. Skid steer, quick attach here, and your bucket connection. It has the 4-cylinder Kubota diesel engine. I believe these are rated right at 47 or 48 horsepower. Looks like the oil was last changed at 765, so approximately 100 hours ago. 2 doors in the cab. It has the mirrors on both sides of the cab, work lights front and back of the cab. R4 tires are in excellent condition. Hydrostat transmission. It has the work lights and warning lights up top here. Has a window defogger kit in the back here, as well as the rear wiper. 3-point hitch with the telescopic arms, stabilizer bars. Top link is here. Looks like the hydraulic filter was also changed at 765. It's a very clean tractor. Also has the plug-in block heater. And again, if you're in the market for a pre-emission tractor of this size, definitely one of the cleanest ones you're going to find out there in the marketplace. Has a little bit of paint off of the top of the hood here, very minor, but one of the very few paint flaws on the tractor. Inside the cab, no surprises here, just looks like the exterior. Somebody really took care of this machine. Has the 3-range hydrostat transmission with the cruise control lever here on the side as well. It has the foot pedal down below for forward and reverse. Has the auto throttle advance, which can be turned on or off right here. Also your hydrostatic mode module. You can set the response time of your hydrostat, which is a really nice feature. And then also the power high-low here that you can shift on the fly. All very nice features, all unique to Kubota there, or most of them are unique to Kubota. Has the loader control, 3-point everything to the right, PTO. Right there within easy reach. Up top you have climate controls, light switches, defogger switches, radio, everything's there. Just a very clean tractor. We do take trades. We also can offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We can also arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, we have approximately 150 used tractors on our yard. Please visit us on the web or give us a call and we'll be happy to help.